So depending on the question for the assignment, you might have to do a variety of different things. So for example, this one's asking you to do a circle graph, whoops, and you can choose these questions. So if the question was, how do you dry your clothes? You can get that from the survey results, and they're right here. And you could actually just copy that into this table and add the section angle part. But the next question, how many lights were left on? That one is not in this document. It's in this spreadsheet. There's the one where all the lights are left on. So for that one, what you need to do is you need to actually go and create your own table. So what I've done is I've gone ahead and done that. So just to show you, so there I've made a table with all of the responses. So I just had to add some rows. I've put in the number of people, the fraction, the percent, and I've got my section angle. So now the question becomes, what if I wanted to use these tables, any of them, to draw a circle graph using something like Google Sheets? All you need to do is copy, and actually this should say number of people, or no, number of lights on. So you can copy that, and you just need to copy the first two columns, and we can go to an untitled spreadsheet. And I've already put it in, but I'll show you. You just paste that, and there it is there. And for whatever reason, there's an extra column. So I'm just going to delete that top row. And now what you can do is you can highlight, you go Insert, Chart, and it's giving you a suggestion of a line chart. You can, again, choose a pie bar instead. And then we want to just change our title. It's not really the number of people versus the number of lights on. It's really just the number of lights left on. So we can change our titles by going to Customize and then going to Chart and Axis Title. And we can just say number, we could call it Circle Graph of Lights Left On, as an example. And then in here, if you want, you could choose labels for your, oh, I don't think it's going to let you, yeah, okay, there. So I just went to pie chart and I just changed that to, instead of none, I put it as label. So pie chart, before it said none and they weren't labeled. Now I can make it say label, and now they are labeled. So that's how you could use Google Sheets to do a circle graph. Just sometimes you have to do a bit of copying, pasting from the tables that are in this document into a Google Sheet, and then go Insert Chart.